Welcome back to Crypto's Rich Boy. Today we're going to be talking about gamers, a little bit about the the general market. But before we do, let's go ahead and like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. So it looks like Gamer has 40.2 thousand followers on Twitter. Um, I talked a little bit yesterday about this post that says changing the gaming landscape through the Gamer Center with our utility token Gamer. Pleased to be shortlisted by Binance. Now let's get to work. So yes, for those of you guys that don't know, they were listed as Phase 1 projects, most valuable builders, and that is pretty sweet that Binance actually recognized them. So 3 hours ago, they said Gamer Army. Make sure you are part of the gamer community by joining our official Telegram and Discord groups below. So if you guys aren't already, go ahead and go to their Twitter. It should be one of the top posts. They have their Telegram group, their Discord group, so you guys can keep up to date with that. It's always good to um, kind of be joined in these things because then they have new updates. Sometimes they put it in those Telegram and Discords before they actually put it on like Facebook or Twitter. So that is always good to kind of be up to date, and so you guys can be in the loop and know what's exactly that is going on. 17 hours ago, it says thanks to all those who got in touch to claim their GMR Retro 1 NFT prize. Soon you will receive confirmation that we have your details and that verification has begun. Thanks for your patience. So they did have a contest that they gave away some NFTs. So you guys make sure you guys check your email. That way you guys can know if you guys were one of the ones that did win an NFT, which would be pretty cool because I mean, I have the worst of luck when it comes to winning. That's why, um, I really don't bet against people because I always, I most likely will lose. And so that is something also to keep in mind. Check your email, see if you guys won the NFT, see if, you guys will be able to get one of those really cool, um, NFT prizes. So let's go take a look at the pricing. We go over the pricing. It's a little bit down, 4.25%. So is the rest of the market. The price is at 42.84. So we are continuing to trade in this channel. So I think, like I said, guys, I think that at least for the rest of this week, in my personal opinion, not financial advice, that we are going to continue to trade sideways. As you can see, it's trading in between the 4 and the 5 range. So that is something that I think is coming because the general market is not really going up right now. The general market, we have $1.3 trillion. So that has come down. I think a couple days ago or last week it was at like 1.4. So it is something that I am just going to keep my eye on. And at this point, when it comes to my investments in total, I'm just going to leave them in because at this rate, we've already fallen. I mean, we were at what, 2.4 trillion. So we've already fallen over $1 trillion in the last couple months. So at this rate, it may go down, but I think there's a lot more potential. I still believe we have a lot more potential to go up. So I am going to go ahead and keep holding, keep my, keep I did go ahead and consolidate a lot of my investments. I had like over like 60 different ones. I had a couple dollars in each one or whatever, but I went ahead and consolidated it. Now, my top ones are Gamer, of course, Safe Moon. I have XRP. I have ADA. I have Matic, and those are really my top five. I have a little bit more and stuff on Coinbase and a little bit on Trust Wallet, but as far as those are like the five main ones that I kind of divvied the money that I have into. And it just makes it a lot easier because at one point I was checking like five or six different exchanges and the wallets, and it was just getting a little overwhelming. So I think that's something that I kind of thought about, and I really looked at the projects that I really do believe in, and I was like, you know what? Instead of having like all these different projects that some of them I knew nothing about, I was just putting it in because a YouTuber said to, or because it seemed like the price was already went so far down. I was like, there's no way it can go any more down. So let me just throw some money in it because it has to be coming up pretty soon. Um, but you know, like I said, the whole market in general, it's kind of at a standstill right now. Not really going too far down, too far up. But I definitely think we are revving up for something big coming at the end of this month, potentially next month. I still think we are going to end this year with a bang. I still think that we are going to have the second phase of the bull run. Um, and I think right now, a lot of smart money, big money, they're just accumulating little by little, and I think they know what's coming. I think that they know that there's something big coming, and I think that we definitely will see some upward price action. Because in my opinion, there's no way we hit the top. I mean, almost 65,000 for Bitcoin, doesn't seem too exciting. Like we were at 20,000 in 2017, now we're at 60,000. Yes, it's at three times your investment, way more than stock market, way more than um, even a high interest rate savings account. But it's not what we've seen in the past, and so if we look back at 2013, we did have kind of like a split bull run where it ran, it fell, and it ran again. 2017, we did like a 2.5% at the beginning of the year. Through the middle of the year, we did like a 10x, and then we did like a 2.5% between October and December. So definitely something that I think it may be a combination of those. I think that we had a good little run in the beginning of the year. It may just, and actually, it may just be that we've had such a long cool off because the smart money, the big money, knows what's coming and they need more time to accumulate before that happens. In most cases, sometimes it's never enough, but sometimes you, sometimes you just, you gotta have kind of like an end goal. You gotta have like a certain amount of money that you wanna that you really want to accomplish, and then kind of take it from there. But definitely, Gamer I think is a great project. They have great things going on. Like I said, there's the other project that I mentioned earlier on that I think is very good, and I think that those are gonna run as well. And tokenomics is amazing. Like I keep saying in other videos, past videos, that traditionally you had to go and take more money that you've earned and continue to build your portfolio. Whereas right now, like projects like Gamer and Safe Moon and some of the other ones, um, they are definitely doing the reflections, so you're definitely be able to kind of accumulate more and more tokens without having to take out outside money. So that is pretty sweet, pretty awesome, and that is something that I think is a great benefit for tokens such as Gamer. So anyway, guys, that is it for today's video. If I see any more updates, I will always enlighten you guys. So make sure you guys are subscribed. Also, like the video, helps the algorithm and for YouTube. And until next time.